Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Ford Bronco Sport, you're going to need trailer wiring. It's required by the law. Now let me show you how to complete this install. You will need the following tools and supplies to complete this installation. We will begin by opening the cargo area so we can take out the taillights. We're going to remove this trim piece by gently prying outward. Remove 2 bolts using a 10mm socket. You can now remove the tail light by pulling gently outward and using a trim panel tool if you need. Give it a gentle wiggle. Now you can remove the electrical connector. Repeat for the other side. Now that the taillights have been removed, we're going to pass some wire down in order to tape the electrical connector onto it, as it's not a straight shot, so your traditional fishing pole I like to use was very difficult to get through. You can now tape the electrical connector to your wire in order to pull it back up to the taillight cavity. Be careful not to snag it on any other electrical wires in the bumper. Yellow and brown connector to the driver's side tail light. Fix double-sided sticky tape to the converter box so that you could stick it inside the vehicle. Affix the ground wire with the self-tapping screw to a bare metal surface, being sure there's no electrical wires behind where you are drilling. So now we want to get the red and the green wire to the passenger side tail light. We could do that by hiding it in the bumper and removing 4 7mm screws from along the bottom of the bumper. Secure the wire using provided zip ties to the electrical connection in the bumper. Now run your fishing wire for the passenger side of the vehicle. Now tape the red and green connector to your fishing wire and pull it through. Using a butt connector, connect your power wire. You can now route the power wire to the engine compartment by going over and around any moving parts and following brake lines or electrical lines to the engine compartment. So now that we've gotten the wire over the rear suspension, right here underneath there is a trim panel with a clip I've already undone from underneath. Once you undo that, there's also 3 10mm bolts along the way. Use a little socket to lower a trim panel so we can affix the wire to some existing brake lines. After your third nut, you have one final trim clip to remove. Now reinsert all the clips and nuts back along the way. Now route some sort of fishing pole or wire down to get the wire. Let's go under this ground wire and under this bracket, and then it'll follow the wheel trim down to the bottom of the vehicle where the power wire is already at. Now tape the power wire to your fishing device and pull it back through. You can now trim off any excess black wire and make your connections. You can now remove a bolt with a 1/2-inch socket. We can now come back to our tail lights, take some of this slack up out of the wires and zip tie it up for safety. You are now ready to reinstall the tail lights. Snug, do not over tighten. Repeat on the other side. We're now going to install a 4-flat connector mounting bracket. If you do not have one, you can pick one up at your local U-Haul hitch center. Use a provided self-tapping screw to hold it in place. Be sure to leave space to return the bolts when we're done. These self-tapping screws are going to create the holes that we're going to thread a more secure bolt in. You can now remove the self-tapping screws one at a time and replace them with the bolt and locking nut. This will be more secure. Now put your locking nut on the back. Now install the 4-flat connector into the bracket. Now zip tie the remaining excess wire in the bumper to the electrical connector we previously zip tied to. Reconnect your final 4 bolts. That concludes the wiring for a Ford Bronco Sport. Thanks for watching, and remember to practice safe trailering. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.